Today I want to talk a little bit about the top US investor and employment visas. I can't emphasize enough, if you haven't already spoken to a licensed US immigration attorney, it's really important to see what the best visa option is for you and your family. Today's video is really just informational and just wanted to give a couple of examples. We're not immigration attorneys, we're not licensed practice law. We just want to go over a couple of the visa options our past clients have chosen together with their immigration counsel when they invest in a US franchise. So the majority of our clients, 90% plus, do opt for the E2 visa. If you're from a country that's highlighted in blue, or you at least have a passport from one of the countries behind my screen in a dark blue shade, you are most likely eligible for the E2 visa as long as you invest at least a substantial amount, but it's generally over $100,000. You employ a few Americans, show that the business makes money, and or you're going to create a lot of US jobs. You have a very high chance to be approved for the E2 visa. Generally, people open a new business, they buy an existing business, or they go with a proven franchise concept for their E2 investor visa. We have also had a few clients go with the EB5 visa, where it used to be $500,000 in a target employment area. So generally where there's a high level of unemployment or a rural zone. And now it's been increased to $900,000. So we have far less clients that are exploring that option now. And you have to maintain 10 full-time American jobs and demonstrate that you in fact invested $900,000 in that set area. So that's a little bit about the EB5 visa, which does give a green card. Another non-immigrant visa category similar to the E2 visa is the L1 visa. So for this, you need to have a company abroad. Generally, the company should have over $1 million in sales, have 10, 20, 30 plus employees, have a very healthy profit margin. And then you could buy an existing business in the United States or start a new business in the United States and transfer an executive or manager to the business. We haven't had too many of these cases. It's a lot more complicated than the E2 visa. But if you don't have a passport from an E2 visa country, you might want to explore the L1 visa with your immigration counsel, as well as the EB1C, which is the green card equivalent of the L1 visa. So if you meet the criteria for a business that is sizable in your home country and you invest in a franchise or multiple franchise locations that have 20, 30 employees and a healthy profit margin, you might be eligible for a US green card through the EB1C visa. Again, this is just a quick summary of the different visa categories our clients have applied and successfully received visas for based on franchises that we worked with on their behalf. It's really important for you to consult with and engage a licensed US immigration attorney to figure out what the best visa option is for